At White Oak Insurance Services, we prioritize the safety and well-being of our clients, even beyond insurance coverage. While many of our clients may not reside in high-risk coastal areas prone to severe hurricanes, we firmly believe that being prepared for any unforeseen event is crucial. That's why we have compiled a comprehensive guide to help you develop your hurricane emergency supply kit. This kit will ensure that you and your loved ones are well equipped to handle any emergency situation that may arise during hurricane season, regardless of your location. Because at White Oak Insurance Services, your safety is our utmost concern. Let's delve into the essentials of developing your hurricane emergency supply kit and empower you to stay safe, secure, and resilient during hurricane season. In the official Georgia Hurricane Guide published in 2019 by the Georgia Emergency Management, Homeland Security, and National Weather Service, the Red Cross recommends the following items in your hurricane supply kit. 1. At least a 7-day supply of non-perishable food and water. 1 gallon of water per person per day is recommended. When it comes to preparing for a hurricane, one of the most critical aspects is ensuring you have an ample supply of non-perishable food and water. The potential for power outages and restricted access to stores during and after a hurricane means that having at least a 7-day supply of food and water is essential for your and your family's well-being. Experts recommend having 1 gallon of water per person daily to cover drinking, cooking, and hygiene needs. This ensures you have enough water to stay hydrated and maintain proper sanitation even during infrastructure disruptions. Non-perishable food items, such as canned goods, dry goods, and energy bars, should be included in your emergency supply kit to provide sustenance during the aftermath of a hurricane. By having a sufficient food and water supply, you can alleviate concerns about shortages and focus on your safety and the well-being of your loved ones. 2. Battery-powered portable television or radio with extra batteries. During a hurricane, communication is crucial, and staying informed about the latest weather updates, emergency alerts, and evacuation notices is essential for your safety. However, power outages are common during severe weather events, making accessing information through traditional means like television or the internet challenging. A battery-powered portable television or radio can stay connected to news and emergency broadcasts even when the power is out. This lets you stay updated on evacuation orders, shelter locations, and other important information from local authorities. 3. Flashlight with extra batteries. Flashlights and extra batteries are essential items recommended by the Red Cross to include in an emergency supply kit for several reasons. Power outages are common during a hurricane or any other disaster, leaving you in the dark and potentially compromising your safety. Having reliable flashlights and an ample supply of extra batteries ensures that you have a reliable light source when electricity is unavailable. Flashlights are useful for conducting safety checks, such as inspecting your surroundings for any potential hazards or damage caused by the storm. They can also be used to read important documents, review emergency plans, or administer first aid in low light conditions. Having extra batteries is equally crucial as it ensures your flashlight's longevity and continuous functionality. Batteries may deplete quickly during an extended power outage, and having spares allows you to replace them as needed, ensuring you have a reliable light source throughout the emergency situation. 4. First aid kit and manual of how to apply first aid if needed. Including a first aid kit and a manual on applying first aid in your hurricane emergency supply kit is paramount. Injuries can occur during a hurricane or other emergency situations, and immediate medical attention may not always be readily available. Having a well-equipped first aid kit and the knowledge of how to administer basic first aid can make a significant difference in treating minor injuries and potentially saving lives. A first aid kit should contain a variety of essential supplies, such as adhesive bandages, gauze pads, antiseptic wipes, adhesive tape, scissors, tweezers, and disposable gloves. These items can be used to clean wounds, stop bleeding, dress minor cuts and burns, and prevent infection. 5. Sanitation and hygiene items such as instant hand sanitizing gel, moist towelettes, toilet paper, and feminine hygiene products. Including sanitation and hygiene items in your hurricane emergency supply kit is crucial for maintaining cleanliness, preventing the spread of germs, and ensuring your and your family's overall well-being and comfort during a disaster. When hurricanes strike, basic infrastructure, including water supply and sanitation systems, can be compromised. It's essential to be prepared with the necessary items to maintain personal hygiene and sanitation. Instant hand sanitizing gel is a convenient and effective way to keep your hands clean when soap and water are not readily available. It helps to kill germs and reduce the risk of infection. Moist towelettes or wet wipes are useful for freshening up, cleaning surfaces, or sanitizing hands. 6. Whistle. Including a whistle in your hurricane emergency supply kit may seem small and simple. Still, it can play a crucial role in ensuring your safety and the safety of others during a disaster. In the aftermath of a hurricane, various challenges may arise, such as widespread power outages, flooding, or damage to infrastructure. In some cases, you may find yourself in a situation where you need to signal for help or attract the attention of rescuers. This is where a whistle becomes an invaluable tool. 7. Kitchen accessories, cooking utensils, and a manual can opener. Including kitchen accessories, cooking utensils, and a manual can opener in your hurricane emergency supply kit can provide essential benefits during and after a hurricane. Meal preparation. During a hurricane, you may experience power outages or limited access to cooking facilities. Kitchen accessories and cooking utensils allow you to prepare meals using alternative cooking methods such as camping stoves, grills, or open fires. These items enable you to maintain a sense of normalcy and ensure nourishing meals during an emergency. Convenience and versatility. Kitchen accessories and utensils offer convenience and versatility in preparing meals from canned goods or non-perishable food items. The manual can opener allows you to access canned foods without relying on electric or battery-operated appliances. Having these items readily available in your emergency kit allows you to open and use canned foods for sustenance easily. 8. Cash. In emergency situations, power outages or communication disruptions may occur, rendering electronic payment methods, such as credit cards or online banking, temporarily unavailable. Cash ensures that you have a universally accepted form of payment that can be easily used for purchasing essential supplies, food, and services, even if electronic systems are down. Local businesses may still operate during and after a hurricane, providing necessary goods and services. Many small businesses may rely on cash transactions, especially when electronic payment systems are affected. By having cash readily available, you can support local businesses and help stimulate the local economy during challenging times. 9. Extra clothing, blankets, and sleeping bags. In the aftermath of a hurricane, access to shelter and basic amenities may be limited. Extra clothing, including warm layers, rain gear, and sturdy footwear, can help protect you and your family from the elements, especially if you need to evacuate or find temporary shelter. Additionally, blankets and sleeping bags provide insulation and warmth, ensuring comfort during periods without electricity or heating. 10. Matches in a waterproof container. During power outages, having a reliable source of fire becomes paramount. Matches stored in a waterproof container ensure you can start a fire for warmth, cooking, or light, even in wet conditions. Remember to exercise caution and be on the lookout for the smell of natural gas before lighting a match. 11. Photocopies of identification, insurance, prescriptions, household inventory, credit cards, and your latest utility bill. Amidst the chaos, it's important to have copies of crucial documents readily available. Photocopies of identification, insurance policies, prescriptions, household inventory, credit cards, and your latest utility bill are essential proof and aid in post-disaster recovery efforts. Safeguarding these documents ensures a smoother and quicker restoration of your life. 12. Thumb drive, cloud backup, CD or photocopies of essential documents such as birth, marriage certificates, and titles. 13. Prescription medications, eyeglasses, contact lens solution, and hearing aid batteries. For those who rely on prescription medications, eyeglasses, contact lenses, or hearing aids, it is imperative to have an ample supply of these items during and after a hurricane. Access to healthcare facilities may be limited, making it essential to stock up on necessary medications and vision or hearing aids to maintain your well-being. 14. Formula, baby food, diapers, and pacifiers. When caring for young children during a hurricane, it's crucial to have their specific needs in mind. Stock up on formula, baby food, diapers, and pacifiers to ensure their comfort and well-being. By being prepared, you provide your little ones with a sense of security during uncertain times. 15. Pet carrier, leashes, shot records, and food for each animal evacuating with you. Our furry companions are part of our family, and their safety is just as important. Don't forget to include a pet carrier, leashes, shot records, and enough food for each animal evacuating with you. These items will help keep your beloved pets secure, well-fed, and accounted for throughout the ordeal. 16. A good map showing country roads and highways. Navigating through a hurricane-ravaged area can be challenging, especially if GPS and navigation systems are unreliable or inaccessible. Including a good map that highlights country roads and highways can be a lifesaver. This invaluable resource will aid in planning alternate routes and finding your way to safety or assistance. 17. Tire repair kit, booster cables, pump, and flares. Dealing with vehicular issues during or after a hurricane can be frustrating. Equip yourself with a tire repair kit, booster cables, a pump, and flares to address common automotive emergencies. These tools will help you stay mobile, increasing your chances of reaching help or safer locations when roads are treacherous. 18. White distress flag. In the event of a dire situation or when you need immediate assistance, a white distress flag can become a beacon of hope. Displaying this flag signals to rescue teams or passers-by that you require aid, increasing visibility and ensuring quicker response. 19. Toys and games for children. In the midst of the turmoil, it's essential to prioritize the emotional well-being of children. Including toys and games in your emergency supply kit can provide a sense of normalcy and help distract them from the distressing situation. These items act as a source of comfort, entertainment, and bonding during trying times. 20. List of family phone numbers and addresses outside the area. Communication can be severely disrupted during a hurricane. Prepare a comprehensive list of family phone numbers and addresses outside the affected area. Having this list handy allows you to stay connected and inform loved ones of your safety or any changes in your circumstances. 20. Multi-purpose tool, Leatherman. A versatile and compact multi-purpose tool like a Leatherman is indispensable to your emergency kit. This all-in-one tool combines various functionalities such as pliers, knives, screwdrivers, and more. It proves invaluable in handling a wide range of tasks and can help you overcome unexpected challenges. 21. Cell phone with charger. While cell phone coverage may be unreliable during and after a hurricane, having a cell phone on hand is still crucial. In emergencies, cell phones can serve as a lifeline for communication, accessing emergency services, and receiving updates. Make sure to keep your cell phone charged and have a backup charger available. In conclusion, when it comes to preparing for a hurricane, having extra clothing, blankets, and sleeping bags in your emergency supply kit is essential. These items offer protection from the elements, ensure hygiene and comfort, provide adaptability in changing conditions, and serve various emergency purposes. At White Oak Insurance Services, we understand the importance of being well prepared for natural disasters like hurricanes. We encourage our clients to include these items in their emergency kits to ensure the safety, well-being, and peace of mind of themselves and their loved ones. By taking these proactive steps, you can better navigate the challenges that may arise during and after a hurricane and be better equipped to face any situation that comes your way. Remember, being prepared is key, and at White Oak Insurance Services, we are here to support and assist you every step of the way. Stay safe, stay prepared, and stay protected.